Step 1. Pre-print preparation. Step 2. Power on the UV DTF printer. Step 3. Use graphic design software to set the image size and add spot colors, and ensure that the image color mode is CMYK. Step 4. Pre-processing images for printing in DTPW software. Step 5. Check the print head status. Open the Batter Printer app, extract the ink, and clean the print head. Then print a test line to confirm the print head status. Once you have confirmed that everything is okay, set the print quantity, image spacing, and print mode, then click Print. Step 6. Transfer sticker application.